Hey, it's Big Fish One, and I'm doing a video about my pets. Okay, this is my first time recording, so I don't really know how to work this. So here goes nothing. Okay, this is my dog, Honey, and she is laying down. And I also have 3 cats. I have 1 dog, 3 cats, and I have 2 fish and 2 hermit crabs. And I am hoping to get a new member to the family, which is a hamster. And I hope that he is very cute. And I will show you the rest of my pets. Okay, as I told you, this is my dog laying down on her blankets. And she is my favorite dog. She's a mix of a collie and a husky. And I love her. So, I'll show you the other pets in another video. But she's just right here, so I could show you her to you. Okay, well, bye.